Shocking impacts of wearing high heels. Health or beauty? What would you choose? Changes in body with the high heels. The calf muscle. Calf muscle shortened and tightened to adjust the angle of high heels. With heels, the calf muscle is in tightened position, and without heels, it's in relaxed position. The Achilles tendon. Achilles tendon tighten up to maintain balance of the body. With the heels, the Achilles tendon is in tightened and shortened position. Without heels or in normal sandals, it is in relaxed position. Wearing high heels can result in postural alteration. High heels raises the heel and put the center of mass of the body forward. As a result, alignment of body segment is changed to maintain balance and to prevent fall. Changes in one joint can result in changes to other joints also. Knee joint go for flexion and is under high pressure to prevent fall and to maintain balance. In normal posture, the knee joint is in neutral position. The pelvis go for anterior tilt and hip joint in flexion. In normal posture, hip joint is also in neutral position. There will be increased thoracic kyphosis and lumbar lordosis and more pressure on spine in order to maintain balance and to prevent fall. There will be forward neck posture to maintain balance and to prevent fall. Because of these postural changes, there will be changes in weight distribution and the work of muscles, and that can result in pain. Prolonged use of high heels can result in the following. The figure shows weight distribution with heels. The alteration in weight distribution can result in heel pain. Increased pressure on heels can result in plantar fasciitis, Achilles tendinitis, and heel pain. Ankle injury. Impaired balance may cause fall, result in ankle strain or fracture. Metatarsalgia. Metatarsal head is under high pressure with the high heels. Prolonged use of high heels can result in more pressure in metatarsal head, and that can result in metatarsal pain. Shape of high heels put toes into stress. That can lead to various foot problems. First one is Morton's neuroma. Irritation to nerves due to compressive force between toes. This compressive force occurs because of narrow shape of shoes. Aggravates bunion or hallux valgus. Painful bump due to narrow shape of shoes. The narrow shape of shoes pushes the tip of greater toe towards the little toe and pushes the base of toes outward. That will aggravate the hallux valgus. Hammer toe. Narrow box heels pushes the toe and causes flexion of interphalangeal joint, resulting in deformity and pain. The toe acquires shape of hammer, that's why it's called hammer toe. Alteration in posture can lead to following. First one, neck pain. Neck pain is due to forward neck posture. There will be impaired muscle work, and that can lead to neck pain. Low back pain. Lower back pain is due to increased thoracic kyphosis and lumbar lordosis causes more pressure in spine. That lead to low back pain. Knee pain. Knee pain is due to increased stress in knee joint. Calf muscle pain. The calf muscle is in continuous stress, and that can lead to calf muscle pain. Heel pain. Heel pain can be due to Achilles tendinitis or plantar fasciitis. For more updates, subscribe to our channel. Let's learn about physio. Thank you for watching.